Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, Reliv friends, family, customers, neighbors, David Maley. I am your Reliv distributor, and I'm coming at you live because I've got some really great stuff to share with you guys, and I'm going to try to get through this fast as I can, but I have 4 bullet points I want to cover. One is yet another upgrade to Reliv Fiber Store, and I'm going to talk to you about free shipping costs from today through next Wednesday, and then I'm going to talk to you about the new limited edition RLV Full Spectrum Hemp Balm. Okay, that came back. It was gone, and now it's back for a limited time, limited order. And then also days on market versus expiration date. I get that question a lot. Once again, I'm David Maley. I am your authorized assigned Reliv distributor since 1995. What? That's crazy. And today is Friday, December 13th. I didn't realize it's Friday the 13th. What? I bought my house on Friday the 13th. I bought this house on Friday the 13th, and it is haunted. I'm going to tell you what, my house, some of you know, is 125 years old. This is Mission Control. This is where I work, and it's absolutely awesome. Am I lucky? No, I earned it. That's what my aunt said. I said, I won a trip. She goes, no, you didn't. You earned it. So, yeah, well earned. But I'm going to talk to you guys about the fiber store real quick. Reliv announced recently that they added probiotics, right, to Fiber Store. Fiber Store was already the greatest fiber supplement on the market. This may be backwards because I'm doing my front-facing camera, but this is Fiber Store. I'm not sure how it's going to convert here. Look, 10 grams of soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, digestive enzymes, I'm not reading anything, antioxidants, 21 herbs, and they added probiotics to it last year without creating a new product. And then, again, you're not going to believe this, I just got the email, exciting news starting this week. They've upgraded the Fiber Store yet again to enhance. Corn bran has been removed while oat bran content has been increased. I'm sorry, I have to read here for a minute. What does it mean for you? You can expect a slightly larger scoop. This is a mouthful. Fluffier powder consistency and a fuller can. Is that a mouthful, or is that just me? The new oat fiber dissolves seamlessly in liquids, resulting in a smoother texture. It's rich in beta-glucan, boasts low glycemic index, and is completely natural, non-GMO, eco-friendly. 10 grams of soluble and insoluble fiber, I already said that. And get ready to experience the new Fiber Store. I drink this every day. If I was on a desert island and had to choose between this and Now Core Nutrition, which I call Miracle Grow for humans, that's an analogy. Fiber Store and Now, I would have to flip a coin. I really would have, if I could only take one product, it would be between this and Core Nutrition by Reliv. So that's the scoop. The scoop. I get this email every Friday. If you're not signed up for the scoop, get signed up for the scoop so you can get all these updates. And right now, I'm going to talk to you about the shipping promotion. Free shipping from today is the 13th, Friday the 13th, through Wednesday at midnight. Next Wednesday, the 18th at midnight. I had it pulled up here, but I memorized it, so here you go. So free shipping on orders over $500, okay? I'm going to give you the breakdown on shipping. And look, you can email me or call me or text me or whatever, and I can send this sheet to you. This sheet has the price, the can and case prices of all the products. And at the bottom in this little corner, everybody needs this. But people are ordering products single can, one after the other. If you order one can, for example, of Energize, it's $12 for shipping. However, if you order 2 cans at one time, it's still $12. If you order 3 cans, still $12. Anything under 9 pounds is $12 flat, unless, if you look, there's a drop-down menu there, and you can get economy shipping. Economy shipping is $9.50. It's like a day later. So what? I do economy shipping, $9.50. Anything under 9 pounds. So consolidate, you guys. This is what I'm getting at. I never order one can at a time because it's $12, $12. And if you see the drop down, it's $9.50, $9.50, $9.50. Or you can do 9 pounds or less for $9.50 economy shipping. If you don't do the drop down, you will not get economy. You'll pay the $12. So look for the drop down menu. However, if you budget for it right now, kind of like a Black Friday thing, but for a few days, you can get free shipping on orders over $500. So, you know, that's like for a retail customer, that's a half a year's supply. I don't know, whatever, however much you use. But yeah, free shipping over $500 retail. Then you get your discounts if you're a distributor. If you're not, just add to cart, check out, get it in the mail to your house and in your body. Now, let me say this. Orders between $200 right at under $500, but over $220, under $499 and under to $220 is 5%. Okay, that's how that is. Orders over $500 right now are free, but generally they're 4%. $1,500 to $3,000, 3%. Orders over $3,000 are 2%. So it goes 2, 3, 4, 5 like that percent, and then $12 and $9.50 on economy. Did that make sense? If that didn't make sense, just email me. I'll send you the sheet. Just know you have free shipping from now to Wednesday over $500, and then otherwise it scales like I just said. All right, that's that on shipping. Oh man, so the new, do you guys remember RLV Hemp Balm, BALM, the balm? It's like wax, like beeswax, but it's hemp. And this is the previous jar. Guys, look, big things come in little packages, okay? This is the hemp balm that we sold for quite some time, and everyone that used it absolutely loved it. It just didn't sell a lot because, I mean, not everybody uses balm, and this is real expensive to make with the manufacturing process that Reliv uses in the hemp balm. This is 1,000 milligrams jar, and I have to tell you, as small as this is, it's like $100 for this jar. I have used this jar. Look, it's still got that'll last me months. I'm not kidding you. So I use this little tongue depressor stick thing. I pull it out. I'm going to tell you this. I have wrist pain right here. It's from years and years and years of wrestling, jiu-jitsu, boxing, and kickboxing, and falling down a lot. So I take a little bit out like that on a stick, and I put it right where the pain is, and I just massage it in. I massage it in my wrist, and I'm going to tell you guys, I'm talking 2-3 minutes. Pain is gone for me. I can't make health claims. I'm just telling you. That's what's up with the RLV Hemp Balm. And I'm going to tell you this. So now it's back for a limited time. Based on popular demand, we have a Christmas treat. I have to tell you this. Reliv reintroduced RLV Balm for a limited time with an extra boost of hemp. So experience the holiday season like never before. This is infused with 1,900 milligrams of hemp goodness. And this happened from an unexpected manufacturing error. I tell you, they had just a manufacturing overproduction. It was overproduction. And this just means that you get nearly double the hemp strength. This is 1,000 milligrams, and I love it. I just ordered 3 jars for myself because they only made 1,000 jars. So it's limited. And I know last time I talked, they had sold 3, maybe 400 of those. I would jump on that if you're into the balm thing. I put it topically on these isolated spots, where I have pain, and also on skin irritations. You can do that. You can put it on your skin. Ease morning muscle aches and tension, warm up muscles and joints, soothe post-workout soreness and recovery, promotes relaxation for bed. It smells fantastic. I want to say it's eucalyptus, but the smell is just fantastic. So topical RLV extra strength hemp is back. 1,900 milligrams CBD. Okay, that's the update on that. I'm sorry I'm not looking at you guys, but I'm trying to get through this. The struggle is real. All right, so that was that. Fiber Store, we talked about shipping costs. We talked about the RLV. Last thing I'm going to talk about is DOM. The cans on the bottom now are marked with DOM. That's backwards, I think. I don't know. We'll see. But date of manufacture. Used to, it was the expiration date. So I get a lot of calls that say, oh my gosh, this product is expired. And I'm like, no, that it was just made. All right. So the DOM is date of manufacture. We don't use expiration date anymore. That way you know it's coming off the line to you, and quick, fresh, and easy. All right, guys. Happy holidays. That's all I've got right now, but I need you to know about the improvement in Fiber Store. I need you to know about the free shipping cost, over $500. And I needed you to know about the RLV limited edition full spectrum CBD hemp balm. I also, for skin topical, psoriasis, eczema, this kind of thing, it is so relieving, you guys, that product. So I love it. Anyone that's ever used it loves it. And it's back. Get you some. And you know, that would make a great addition to your order to get your number up and over $500, along with Now, Fiber Store, and Energize Go. Look at the packages on my website also, because when you package the Now, the Fiber Store, and the Energize, you get automatically off the top, there's a break there too. And they have 3 packages there. The systems, today, tomorrow, feeling better. I forgot what they're called. All right. But that's it, you guys. In the description below is always the order page. My phone number is always down there. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm building that channel. I think I have over 15,000 views now. The likes are coming in, and then it opens up an opportunity for me to do other things. And I'm going to start a podcast in 2025 telling everything I've been through for 30 years as a Reliv distributor, since before the internet. I got some crazy great stories, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Call me with product questions, best bang for the buck, and how I can help you out. Happy holidays.